English words in just 10 minutes. Let's go. Grab, grab. Take quickly, take quickly. I'll grab a coffee on my way. I'll grab a coffee on my way. Busy, busy, having a lot of to do, having a lot of to do. She's too busy to talk right now. She's too busy to talk right now. Fix, fix, repair, repair. Can you fix my phone? Can you fix my phone? Mess, mess, not tidy, not tidy. My room is a mess. My room is a mess. Lucky, lucky, having good fortune, having good fortune. You're lucky to have such a friends. You're lucky to have such a friends. Trip, trip, short travel, short travel. We had a trip to Paris last summer. We had a trip to Paris last summer. Cheap, cheap, not expensive, not expensive. These shoes are cheap but nice. These shoes are cheap but nice. Break, break. Pass, rest, pass, rest. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Hungry, hungry, waiting food, waiting food. I'm so hungry right now. I'm so hungry right now. Smart, smart, intelligent, intelligent. That was a smart idea. That was a smart idea. Cool, cool, nice, good, nice, good. Your jacket looks cool. Your jacket looks cool. Late, late, not on time, not on time. Don't be late for class. Don't be late for class. Wrong, wrong, not correct, not correct. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Right, right, correct, correct. Yes, that's the right choice. Yes, that's the right choice. Guess, guess, try to answer, try to answer. Can you guess my age? Can you guess my age? Fast, fast, quick, quick. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. Slow, slow, not fast, not fast. The internet is too slow. The internet is too slow. Tired, tired, needing rest, needing rest. I feel tired after work. I feel tired after work. Clean, clean, not dirty, not dirty. The kitchen looks clean. The kitchen looks clean. Dirty, dirty, not clean, not clean. My shoes are dirty. My shoes are dirty. Happy, happy, feeling good, feeling good. She looks happy today. She looks happy today. Sad, sad, feeling unhappy, feeling unhappy. He was sad after the movie. He was sad after the movie. Hot, hot, high temperature, high temperature. The tea is too hot. The tea is too hot. Cold, cold, low temperature, low temperature. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Win, win, to be the best, to be the best. Our team will win the match. Our team will win the match. Lose, lose, not win, not win. Don't lose your keys again. Don't lose your keys again. Start, start, begin, begin. Let's start the lesson. Let's start the lesson. End, end, finish, finish. The movie will end soon. The movie will end soon. Love, love, like very much, like very much. I love this song. I love this song. Hate, hate, dislike strongly, dislike strongly. I hate waking up early. I hate waking up early. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.